Hello friends. The title of the video is Vasudev Bhavanta Phadke and American Civil War. Vasudev Bhavanta Phadke was the clerk in British government office. Once, he had attended the speech of Mahadev Govinda Ranade. This helped him to understand the exploitative nature of the British government. This provoked him to raise the arms against the British government in 1875 and continue up to 1879. This arms rebellion of 1875 against the British government is known in Indian history as the Deccan Riot, which was led by Vasudev Bhavanta Phadke. The rioters' specific purpose was to obtain and destroy the bonds, decrees, and other documents in the possession of the moneylenders. They socially boycotted the moneylenders also. Within days, the disturbances spread to the other villages of Pune and Ahmednagar district. The peasants failed to realize that the root cause of their distress was the British administration and not the moneylenders. To understand the causes of Deccan riots of 1875, we have to go back to 20 years back. Before 1860s, 3/4 of the raw cotton import of Britain came from America. The British cotton manufacturers established Manchester Cotton Company in 1859 to encourage cotton cloth export. When the American Civil War broke out in 1861, the import from America fell miserably. The British government started importing and securing cotton from India to maintain cotton cloth export. This led to increase in the prices of cotton in international market. So, the farmers in Deccan region started to borrow money from moneylenders to invest in the cotton cultivation from early 1860s. The American Civil War, which was started in 1861, ended in 1865. As the American Civil War ended in 1865, the supply of cotton from America to England was re-established in the latter part of 1860s. This led to decline in the prices of raw cotton in the international market. This had adversely affected the cotton growing farmers of the Deccan region. They could not get the remunerative prices for their cotton cultivation. So, they were not able to repay the loan of moneylenders, which was taken to grow the cotton cultivation. So, when the moneylenders started to demand their loan to be repaid, the distressed farmers resorted to the riots. These rioters were provided the leadership by Vasudev Bhavanta Phadke. To conclude, the event shows us how our Indian economy was globally connected. Thank you for watching my video.